Stop wasting time on do-it-yourself projects and hire a professional instead. Hayward Construction Company. See how much money you can save by hiring an experienced remodeling contractor to complete your home improvement project right the first time. There are a number of advantages to hiring Hayward Construction Company instead of attempting a DIY project. First, we have the experience and expertise to complete your project correctly the first time. Our team of professionals has completed hundreds of home improvement projects, so we know what it takes to get the job done right. Attempting a DIY project can often lead to costly mistakes that could have been avoided if you had hired a professional. In addition, Hayward Construction Company has the necessary tools and equipment to complete your project quickly and efficiently. We invested in state-of-the-art equipment so that we can complete projects faster and better than our competition. When you attempt a DIY project, you may not have access to the same high-quality tools. When it comes to home improvement projects, Construction Remodeling in Bay Area is the experienced Hayward Construction Company you can trust to get the job done right. We have a proven track record of success in completing home improvement projects on time and on budget. Our team of highly skilled professionals will work closely with you to ensure that your project is completed to your satisfaction.